this tutorial, we will see how to change the font style of the text. Two different commands are used to change the font style for every style. For example, to make the text italic, the text italic or IT shape command is used. The text italic command is this txtit. The text to be italicized should be given in the curly brackets. For example, greatest. Now you can see that the greatest is in italicized. The second command is IT shape. IT shape. Hello world. As you can see, the hello world is in italicized. Let's we write this text after the IT shape command. As you can see that the paragraph is also italicized. The IT shape command should be written in the curly brackets so that its effect appear in the curly brackets, not after the brackets. Like this, the IT shape command is written in the curly brackets. After the IT shape command, the text is written. As you can see that only the hello world is italicized. After the hello world, the paragraph is not italicized. Similarly, to make the text slanted, the text SL and SL shape command is used. For example, greatest glory should be in slanted. To write the text SL command TEXT SL. The greatest glory now is in slanted. The second command is SL shape. It should be in curly brackets so that its effect should be appeared in the curly brackets. The rising now is in slanted shape. Like this, to make the text in small caps, the text SC and SC shape command is used. And to emphasize the text, the emphasize and EM command is used. For example, to make this in small caps, write the command txt sc. Now greatest glory is in small caps. Similarly, the second command is sc shape. Write it in curly brackets. Now never falling is coming in small caps. Similarly, to emphasize the text, EMPH command is used and the other command is EM. Now the text is emphasized. To make the text bold, text BF and BF series command is used. For example, text BF or BF series. Now the greatest glory is coming in bold face. Similarly, rising every. Hope that you like this tutorial. See you in the next one.